guys, this is Marilee. I'm just making a video to show you guys how I clean my lashes. I have quite a few different pairs from different companies or vendors. So basically what I did is just I let them soak. I used some warm water. I use this Dial hand soap foam. And I pretty much just let them sit for an hour just so they could soak up. As you can see, I'll zoom in, the glue that's been kind of lifting off the lashes so far. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab each one. I will be using a microfiber cloth to dry them, and I will also be using a spoolie brush. This one is from MAC. I've been having this one for a while. I hardly use it, but I was going to use it today to clean out the glue or the excessive glue that's stuck onto the eyelashes and remove it with this one. You could use any kind. Like I said, I'm just using this one because this is what I have. But yeah. Okay, so right here I did one off camera just to show you guys. The glue that I use is that dual, the white little tube with the blue printing. But as you can see, let me see if I can zoom in. Right there. It pretty much got all the glue out, and I mainly just used a spoolie and I used my fingers to pull it off. You can see a couple pieces right there that are still on there. But for most part, the eyelash is pretty clean. Oops, sorry. Let me try to grab it with, I'm holding my phone. There it is, hold up, there it is. It's pretty much clean. I don't use them all the time. I know some of you girls use them every single day. I don't. I mainly use them when I go on dates with my husband. And it's usually like, you know, we try to make an effort to do it once a week, if that. But like I said, it kind of feels dry already. But yeah, that's pretty much, it pretty much did the job. And it's just soap. I didn't go out and buy a special type of formula specifically to clean them, and I used what I had. I know Dial makes different types of soap, but I like using the foam, and I think it's fun for my kids. It's foam, it's different than regular hand soap. So that's why I like using that one. But like I said, yeah, so hopefully it helped you guys. I will continue doing the rest of them, and then I'll show you guys the finished result. Here is the final lashes that are clean after I did each one individually using the little spoolie. Like I said, I think that's just the easiest way of doing it. Let me try to zoom in on them. They all look pretty clean. Like I said, I do use different vendors here, so I think just depending the quality or the type of lash that you bought is the type of ending cleaniness you're gonna leave, and not only that, the fallout on the lash hairs is what's gonna come out. I think all of mine are mink. But yeah, hopefully this helps you guys when you're cleaning your guys's lashes. Thanks for watching.